Friend, come on.
I get how you're fixing your life and Mojolo is part of your life, so what's happening now?
All I have to do is leave that relationship.
What's hurting you like so much, like within that relationship?
Because you know.
No, you can't say I know.
What else? Ugh, he doesn't know how to talk.
She loves that guy more than anything in this world. Like I'm tired.
Last year November or I can't remember. I was there and that guy was telling me Corona girlfriend in Ingani.
How old is she?
She's only 19. Only now he's dating his age mates. Hayi umtholile umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi amuthi shona le angabuthi lutho ngoba mina naye vele sinenkinga yokuthi
Anything correct. What's a 1, 2, 3?
kasitsona ba re pelo e ja serati. So ga e ja serati, you will begezela all of I don't know nonsense. I also look myself in the mirror and question myself, but I don't have answers. Lina ke litirelo ga ke okay, one day, when they are brought up, things like, "Ooh, baby, let's get married." Now in Jungena, ile excitement, what's yes? That means being giddy, becoming Miss Banbani. But then masuhleli wedwa, you reflect on other things. Kuthi hawu, emjolweni mawukanje, maseshadile kuzoba njani?
Why do you sound like...
Yeah. Yo, sana. Yabona lo tirelo ongimluzile bandla.
No,
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into the latest season of Izingane's Tembo. I think it's season 3. And today I'll be reviewing episode 1, like the bits and pieces of what really touched me or what caught my eye. And if you've been following all along, you know it's been filled with drama, heartbreak, and shocking twists. One of the most emotional moments of the season so far is seeing Tirelo break down over Umpumelelo. But the question on everyone's mind is this her karma? Did she get what she deserves for telling Uvuyo to know her worth? I mean, we saw that in the last episode of last season where she was telling Uvuyo to know her worth. So is this a karma, guys? What do you think? Before we start, let me know in the comment section. Let's unpack everything from Tirelo's tears to Mpumelolo's many relationships and the future of this complex love triangle. And of course, we'll be missing Uvuyo this season, guys. But what does this mean for Sneh and her brothers? Let's stick around as we explore it all. So, before we dive deeper, let's check into what the viewers were saying online. This season was packed with some fiery conversation on social media. I mean, other viewers are saying no, Tirelo deserves it because she told Uvuyo to know her worth. I mean, she was part of a chain of women before she was the main girlfriend Kampumelelo. Why is she crying now? What is making her cry? But on the other hand, the other party says no, Tirelo is also human. In as much as she said those things to Uvuyo, she's also human. She wants to be loved by Umpumelelo. Maybe she said those things because she was thinking about herself. She wanted to be the first one. I mean, sometimes you need to put yourself first, right? Even if the other things are wrong. I don't know, guys. I'm just saying. But then the other party stands with the Tirelo to say that, I mean, she was a girlfriend who was fighting for her space. Okay, let's talk about Tirelo crying, the emotional struggle or the drama. Now, if you've seen episode 1, I inserted the clip. In the beginning. So I presume that everyone has watched it. You know exactly what we're talking about. Tirelo, who once carried herself as confident, strong, and unapologetic, is now breaking down in tears. Yo, guys. And the reason, like crickets, it's Mpumelelo. Her man, the one she thought was going to be hers alone because of the way she was treating Uvuyo, I think. Yet, once again, we see the same pattern repeating itself. Mpumelel's attention is spread across several women. It's tough. But what makes Tirelo's tears so complicated, guys? Well, this isn't just about heartbreak. It's about betrayal, expectations, and karma. Tirelo has been vocal in the past, especially when she told Uvuyo to know her words in the earlier season. Back then, it was clear she had no patience for women who allowed themselves to be treated poorly by men like Mpumelelo. She was the one who had the strength to walk away, but now, as the Mamkulu Womjolo, as she said, the first in line among many women, she's crying in a way we didn't expect. We never expected it, guys. Let's see the comment on TikTok. One comment said, wait, so now Tirelo is feeling the pain that she told Uvuyo to avoid. Karma is real and it comes in full circle. Hashtag Isingane says Tembo. Hashtag karma. The other comment said, I know she's hurt, but honestly, she knew what Mpumelelo was about. Can't be acting surprised now. Hashtag know your worth. Hashtag Tirelo. So the last comment that I saw was, bruh, I'm with Vuyo on this. Tirelo should have known better. The pain is real, but is it truly a surprise? Hashtag Isingane says Tembo. Hashtag pain and karma. Clearly, viewers are divided. As I said earlier, some are sympathizing with Tirelo while she's in pain, and while others think she got what she deserves after telling Uvuyo to know her worth. Actually, my video should be titled Know Your Worth, right? It seems like social media is calling this one karma. For sure. Let's continue. So the question now is Tirelos crying, or what we saw now, a sign of pain? Is it a sign of hurt? Let's pause and think about this for a moment. Why is Tirelo, someone who's always been self-assured, crying now? Is it just pain? Is it really the hurt of losing Mpumelelo to other women? Honestly, this is complicated. Pain comes in many forms, and for Tirelo, it's the deep hurt of being in a situation where she feels like she's not enough. Yet, she knew from the start that Mpumelelo loves women, and lots of them. She has been part of a chain of women before, so this is nothing new, but we can see that something has shifted in her this season. Maybe it's the realization that being the main girl or the first wife doesn't guarantee love and security. It's not about being the one he chooses, it's about feeling like she's always fighting for his attention. I also went to Facebook to check other comments. The first one was, why is Tirelo acting shocked? Sis knows Mpumelelo is multiple girlfriend and probably always will. I understand the hurt, but come on, she should have just prepared for this. Hashtag Izinganez's Temple. Another comment said, pain is definitely a sign of hurt. No one wants to feel like they are not enough, even if they signed up for a complicated love story. Heartbreak, hashtag Tirelo. Oh, yeah, ne? And then the last comment that I got from Facebook was, I understand where Tirelo is coming from. She's human at the end of the day. She may have known, but when you love someone, you hope they choose you, not just as an option among many. Hashtag real talk, hashtag love hurts. These are the comments that I got from Facebook. So, some viewers are empathizing with Tirelo's pain, acknowledging that heartbreak is universal, while others are pointing out that she knew what she was signing up for, as we saw in the comments that I read. It's clear that the battle between emotional vulnerability and logical awareness is real in this situation. Tirelo, now the Mamkulu Womjolo, like she referred to Uvuyo in earlier seasons. The first girlfriend, but is she the first wife? So in this season's intro, we're introduced to a new girl who seems to be covered. Her face is covered, but we see her holding hands with Mpumelelo on the other side, while Tirelo is holding hands with Mpumelelo on the other side. So the question is she going to be the first wife? Is she going to replace Tirelo as Umkhulu Womjolo? Well, this is a big shift. And it begs the question, can Tirelo truly be a mamkulu wama girlfriends, or will she forever be the other woman? Let's break it down. In the world of polygamy, especially when a man like Mpumelelo is at the center of it all, there's always someone who will feel like they're at the top of the pyramid. For now, that's Tirelo, but this new girl entering the scene could change everything. Being the first girlfriend doesn't guarantee being the first wife. So, is this position Ega Tirelo safe, or is it just another player in Mpumelelo's game? I also went to Twitter, guys. The first comment that I saw was that Mpumelelo really had the first one on Tirelo with the new girlfriend coming in. Will she be the first wife? Can't wait to see how Tirelo handles this. Hashtag Izinganizas Tembo. Another comment from Twitter says, I'm here for the drama, but I feel for Tirelo. A new girl is entering the scene, and I wonder if Mpumelelo will even choose one of them as the first wife. Hashtag like triangle, hashtag drama. The other comment that I saw on Twitter was, is this the first wife or just another girlfriend? I need to know. Pumelelo is too many women already. Hashtag too much. Hashtag Izinganez's temple. Wow, Twitter was also a buzz. With this new girl, everyone is wondering whether she's the first wife or just another temporary flame in Pumelelo's long list of girlfriend. Looks like the season will reveal it all. I can't wait to actually see this girl's face, when she's being revealed, and I hope by season 3 we would have seen her face. So guys, let's talk about Mpumelelo's maturity. A young man with many girlfriends. Your Mpumelelo is so young, hey? He is very young and charismatic. And let's be honest, he's got a lot of women vying for his attention. But is he really mature enough to handle all these relationships? Is it truly possible to give so many women the love and care they deserve? Yani, being so young and already managing multiple relationships takes a certain kind of maturity or lack thereof. Pomelelo seems to navigate this relationship with ease, but is it a sign of maturity or irresponsibility? At his age, having many girlfriends and considering marriage might seem like the ideal way to go. But is he truly ready for the responsibilities that come along with being a husband? Guys, please let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Because it's getting deeper. So all I can say is that time will tell if he can sustain this lifestyle or if it will eventually catch up with him. Let's talk about Usne mending a relationship with the brothers. I hope she does, because I mean, in the last season there was a heated argument when they went for their trip. So let's see how it goes, because while Tirelo's emotional journey is at the forefront, we can't forget the absence of Vuyo again in the season. Her departure has left a void, not just in the show, but in the hearts of many viewers. Vuyo was a pillar, a voice of reason, and someone who seemed to have it all figured out, but her absence in this season will definitely be felt. Now let's go back to Sne's relationship with these brothers. We know that she's been through a lot and so much, and their bond has always been a bit strained. But with Vuyo gone, will Sne step up to fill that role in the family? I mean, Vuyo for me was the quiet one, a voice of reason. You could see even when Mpumelelo and his brothers in an argument, Vuyo was the calm one who used to calm them down. So will Sne be able to mend the broken relationship with the brothers, or will the cracks deepen? So this season we'll be looking for signs of growth. Sne will ask ourselves, can she become the anchor that the family needs as the first sister? She's the big sister, as the first child in the family, or will she continue in the same path of dysfunction? Let's talk about the future of Italian Temple this season and what to expect. So for me, looking ahead, the season promises to be full of twists and turns, with Tirelo's emotional breakdown, the power dynamics shifting between girlfriends, Mpumelo's growth and maturity, and the absence of Vuyo. There's no telling what's next. Like, we really don't know what's going to happen next. It's bleak, because introducing a new girl means the dynamic is shifting, because before we head to Tirelo and Vuyo, always knew how they behave around each other, what's going to happen. But now it's actually bleak. We don't know what's going to happen. But one thing's for sure, this season is going to be a roller coaster. We'll be watching to see if Tirelo can reclaim her position as the first wife is she going to be the first wife, or since now she's the mamkhulu of Umjolo, or she'll become just another woman in Pumelelo's long list? We'll be rooting for Usne as she tries to rebuild her relationships, and above all, guys, we'll miss Uvuyo's voice of reason, but perhaps this will open up new paths for the rest of the cast to evolve. So guys, what do you think about Tirolo's situation? Do you think she's getting what she deserves? Please let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. For the people who are watching and not subscribed, may you subscribe, click that notification bell, like and share. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all of you because you keep my channel going. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, bye.